We all know that feeling. Iftar time hits and the deep fried cravings are real. But what if I told you that you could save hundreds of calories every single day just by switching up your cooking method? Let's put them to the test. It's air fryer versus deep fryer.
Round 1, the samosa. That golden deep fried triangle of joy. It's packing around 260 calories and soaking up oil like a sponge. Throw that same samosa in the air fryer with just a light spray. You drop it to about 150 calories. That's a savings of over 100 calories per piece. Round 2, Pakoras. Deep frying these veggie fritters means they absorb huge amounts of oil, sitting at around 150 calories each. Air frying. You cut the oil absorption by up to 80%, bringing them down to just 60 to 80 calories. You can literally eat double for the same energy. And finally, spring rolls. A standard deep fried roll hits you with 150 calories. The air fryer version? A light and crispy 90 calories. The crunch is still there, but the guilt? Gone? Deep frying adds flavour, but it also adds about 75% more fat. By switching to air frying this Ramadan, you're not dieting. You're just being smart with your fuel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Ramadan tips. Ramadan Mubarak!